The tension between the United States and Iran is rising again, and this time the focus is on one of the world's most important oil routes, the Strait of Hormuz. US President Donald Trump has expressed serious concern over Iran's recent actions in this region. According to him, the way Iran is handling the movement of oil ships through this narrow waterway is not acceptable and goes against global norms. Now, why is this important? Because a huge portion of the world's oil supply passes through the Strait of Hormuz. Any disruption here can directly impact global fuel prices and energy markets. Trump has reacted strongly to reports suggesting that Iran may be charging fees or tolls from oil tankers passing through this route. He made it clear that such action should stop immediately if they are actually happening. He also questioned that ongoing ceasefire agreements, saying that this is not what was agreed upon earlier. According to him, Iran has failed to ensure safe and smooth passage for ships in this region. The White House has supported reopening the strait fully as part of ceasefire understanding. However, concerns remain because Iran's military is still actively controlling the area. There are also reports that Iran may be trying to generate revenue by collecting money from passing ships. At the same time, Iranian media has claimed that the military has placed naval mines in the strait. If true, this could be a major threat to international shipping and oil transport. Trump has warned that if Iran does not follow the agreed terms, the US could take stronger actions than before. Meanwhile, both Iran and the United States seem to be trying to show dominance after the ceasefire announcement. On the Iranian side, stated that Iran will take the management of the Strait of Hormuz to a new level. Also that Iran does not want war, but it will not step back from its rights, emphasized maintaining unity against the US and Israel. Now, several important questions remain unanswered. What will happen to Iran's enriched uranium stock? When will normal shipping resume in the strait? And will Iran continue its military and proxy activities in the region? For now, the situation remains tense and the world is watching closely because what happens in this narrow stretch of water could affect the entire global economy.